so it begins. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. All part of the adventure. As this time we are now heading up the motorway, heading towards Scotland to take part in the Scottish National Road Rally for 2017, and our final road rally, which then means the completion of the three nations. We've already done the Welsh, as you've seen, and the English, as you've seen, and hope you've enjoyed those videos. And now we're on our way to Scotland to take part in this. We're doing the Three Islands Highland Tour Challenge, which means you have to complete 3 islands on and off Arron, Mull and Skye, with 6 checkpoints in total to collect, and then we will complete it. The plan is to do the island hops on Thursday and Friday, it being Wednesday now, and hopefully we'll complete that and then head over to Edinburgh to meet the wives. So yep, on with the road journey. I'm not going to show you much miles on the motorway because it's boring, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheerio.
Hiya, so here we are on the road. We have just managed to do full tank to empty tank in one hit, no stopping, which for my bike ended up being about 184 miles. I've done that in one hit, and it certainly feels like I've done that in one hit as well, because all motorway, nothing interesting to see. Arse is killing me, legs are killing me. So yeah, all we've got left now is about 104 miles to the first stop, which is Carlisle, and we are truly into this this new adventure for this weekend. We shall catch up then. Cheerio.
Oh, just a quick stop here, guys. Kingy's got intercom issues. Hopefully it's just a loose connection or a battery issue, but yeah, we can't talk to each other and Kingy can't enjoy my singing. Never mind. We'll catch up soon.
Here we are, first stop for the first evening of the first day. Lunchtime start this afternoon. Left about 1:30 from London, and then headed up here. 289 miles in total today, and we are now at Carlisle. Hotel tonight, as you can see with Kingy, grabbing a drink, gonna have some dinner. And then, yeah, early start tomorrow. So we decided hotel tonight because of the early start in the morning. We didn't want to be messing around with tents and stuff, because it looks like got at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours riding tomorrow to get the ferry onto the island Arron for the first part of our Scottish National Road Rally. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a 3:30 start. Up, showered, pack the bike and hit the road as quick as possible, because our ferry from Arron, if I'm saying that right, is at 8:20, and we need to be there 30 minutes beforehand. So yeah, we'll have a few drinks, a meal, chill out, early night, and then get going. Yeah, we'll catch you then.
It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and time to get going. I'm knackered already.
Well, here we are. We're on our first ferry of 5 ferries in total for this trip, and this time, as I've already said, we're doing the Scottish National Road Rally for 2017, and we are island hopping. 3 islands in total. Arron, our first one, is what we're heading towards now on our first ferry crossing. We then got hit Mull, and then the last one would be Skye. So yeah, hoping to do 2 islands today, as long as weather stays good. Not looking too bad at the moment, and that we can clock up the miles and the time, and the ferries are running well. We should be able to clear all that today. So yeah, two islands today if we can. Last one will be tomorrow morning. Look for a campsite this evening, and hopefully stay as dry as possible. So yeah, just wanted to catch in with you. First island, first ferry, first day of the Scottish National Road Rally, and so far so good. We shall catch up with you then. Cheerio.
Okay, so that's us off of the first ferry, and that's our first checkpoint done. We had to get a receipt on the ferry at the shop, so that's checkpoint 1 done, and we are now on Arron. So the next part of the journey is approximately 30 minutes, just around the coast of Arron, and then up to our next ferry that we should be just on time for. So we're going to go into a second part of the video. Thanks for watching part 1, and to watch us go through Arron and collect our next checkpoint, tune in to part 2. I shall see you then.